I'd like to thank Harry Styles for taking a night off, so we can kind of squeeze in here. This show is actually a makeup show from 2020. All you people from that show? I'm sorry, we couldn't play anywhere. It was COVID. Sorry for the sneeze, by the way. I don't have COVID as far as I know. But I hadn't thought about that. When you gotta sneeze, you gotta sneeze. I'm right in the middle of a song. Okay, there I go. Here it goes. Yes. Anyway, good to be back at the Garden. We're the house band now. We love playing the Garden. We just love being there. I'm going to go back to 1975 for this next song, which now is a long time ago. This is from an album that came out in '75. It was called Street Life Serenade. You don't have that album. Nobody bought that album. I don't even have that album. Anyway, don't bullshit, okay? Let's set up an honest thing here. A matter of trust, you know.